Hello everyone. So now we are doing integration by using polar coordinates. So the first thing is we have to sketch the region. So here if we look y, the limits for y are from 0 to 4 minus x square. So that is 0 less than y less than square root 4 minus x square. The limit for x are the outer limit, that is 0 less than x less than or equal to 2. So if we try to make the boundary, so here boundary is y is equal to 0 and here y square equal to 4 minus x square or x square plus y square equal to 4. Alright, so that means we have to take here, so that this is a circle of radius 2 and x should be greater than 0. That means we are considering everything in the first quadrant because y is greater than 0 and x is greater than 0. So our region of integration will be in the first quadrant and this circle is of radius 2, radius 2. So we want to make use of polar coordinates now. So for polar coordinates, what are the substitution? As we are aware, so it is x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. And when we are doing change of variable, we have to multiply by the Jacobian, that is r. And here we can see the radius of the circle is from 0 to 2. So 0 less than r less than 2, and the angle if we see it is changing from 0 to pi by 2, right? So our angle will be from 0 to pi by 2. That means the first quarter of the circle. So by change of variable, this integration whatever was given to us, x square plus y square dy dx, and this if we substitute x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, so that will become e raised to r square. And then we have to multiply, if you remember the formula, this is nothing but double integration f of r cos theta r sin theta into r into d theta dr. That is the change of variable formula, right? So wherever there is an x, we write r cos theta, and wherever there is y, we write r sin theta. So it will become r square, and then we have to multiply by the Jacobian, that is r, and we can take either theta first or r first, our choice. So let's take theta first, and theta is from 0 to pi by 2, r is from 0 to 2, radius of the circle. Alright, so this will be, so this is integration with respect to theta, so this act as a constant, hence we will get 0 to 2 e raised to r square into r, and integration of d theta will be theta from 0 to 2, 0 to pi by 2 dr. Alright, so we are just integrating d theta, so we will get theta that goes from 0 to pi by 2. So upper limit minus lower limit, that is pi by 2 integration 0 to 2 e raised to r square into r into dr. Now we can make use of substitution. So put r square is equal to t. So that would imply r dr is equal to dt by 2. And we need to change the limit also. So when r is 0, that implies t goes to 0. And when r goes to 2, that would imply t goes to, from the same equation, 4. Okay, so we will be left with which is equal to, so if we see here, so the final answer is which is equal to pi by 2 integration 0 to 4 e raised to t dt by 2. So that is pi by 8 e raised to t from 0 to 4, and the final answer in this case, sorry, this is pi by 4, and so this is pi by 4, right? So these two I am taking out, and the final answer is, if we see, that will reduce to e raised to 4 minus e raised to 0 multiplied by pi by 4, or simply pi e raised to 4 minus 1 by 4. That will be the final answer in this case. Okay, thank you.